Good y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video is going to be another quick weave tutorial, and if you would like to see how I went from this to this really cute, classy, affordable, short bob inspired hairstyle, make sure you stay tuned. Alright y'all, so jumping right into this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys the products you are going to need to complete this install. Now, the brands I'm using are optional. You can go whatever brand of your preference, but the actual products are not. So go ahead and take some screenshots. And I'm also going to leave everything that I showed in the description box. You're obviously going to need some hair for this install. So the hair that I'm going to be using is from Vivify Hair Studio, which is a high quality but super affordable virgin hair care line, and I will have all of the information about the company in the description box below. This is also my personal hair brand, so support your girl, and thank you for supporting, and everybody who has supported, thank you so much. Now getting into the install, so I've braided my hair down and I applied my stocking cap, which I did not show. You definitely need a stocking cap. But now I'm just taking the hairspray, using some Got to Be Glued hairspray, and I'm spraying around the perimeter of the stocking cap. This is just going to act as a little guard so we can make sure that our stocking cap doesn't roll back. Now, the next product that you see me putting on is the liquid cap. You want to definitely put this on, and I like to put it on top of the cap because of the takedown process. Some people prefer to put it on your hair directly. I don't prefer to do that because it makes the takedown, wash down process of your actual hair just a little bit more extra in my opinion, but do whatever you like. Just put this on before installing your hair extensions. And what I was going to say earlier is that using the hairspray on the perimeter is optional, because if you are doing this method that you see here using this product, that cap ain't going nowhere when we go in to cut it off later in the video. So now that we've applied that product to all the areas that we're going to be laying hair extensions, you want to go in with the blow dryer, or you can sit up under the dryer, and you want this product to get dry. It's going to dry really solid, and it's going to be pretty much a layer of protection between your hair and the glue that we're going to use to lay the hair extensions down. So now you just see me going in and carefully cutting off the excess cap that we don't need, get that out the way. And I have a slither of my hair left out, y'all. I tried to leave a little amount of hair as possible out. Literally, it's just my edges. So now that I have that excess cap off, we're gonna go in to begin to lay down the extensions. Now, I get a lot of questions about how far apart to lay down your extensions. You want to do about ½ an inch to an inch apart. It really depends on how many bundles you have, how big your head is. A lot of things play a factor, but you don't want to leave them, you don't want to lay them too far apart, and you don't want to lay them too close together unless you just got hair on deck. If you have hair on deck and you're trying to fit a number of bundles in your head, then lay them really close together. But if you got your 4 or 3 bundles, space them apart about an inch to ½ an inch, and you should be good. And so you see me getting my extensions, the weft, and I measured it from one ear to the other. So one side of my head to the other. And then I cut it off and I measured out how much I needed. And then I added a little thin layer of the hair glue. And as you can see, I'm literally using my fingers to help guide me to lay that track down. Track placement is key when you're doing quick weaves, or when you're doing, extensions period. But when you're specifically when you're doing quick weaves, if you want the hairstyle to come out a certain way, have a certain look, have a certain flow, then track placement is key. And you'll get better with this over time the more that you do it. Like this is like second nature for me, but I know that sometimes it can be a little daunting for, when you're new. But take your time, do not rush, pull the video up, and you got it, sis. But yeah, I'm going to continue to do this process until I get to the top of my head where my leave out is. All right, y'all, so now we done got close to the top of that leave out, and I wanted to pop in to give a few tips. So a key to make sure that your leave out blends really seamless and smoothly is to make sure that you place those last few wefts super close to your leave out. You want to get them as close as possible because it will aid in you not getting a harsh line of demarcation between your wefts and your hair when you go to cover the tracks with your leave out. If you have thinner hair, then people will be able to see the weft up under your hair. If you have thicker hair, you should be fine, but my hair is more on the thinner side than it is thick, so especially when I straighten it. So I have to get my tracks as close as possible to the leave out, and I find that helps with blending. So leaving less leave out for one, and then also getting it super close, great for making sure your leave out blends.
I probably broke your heart the moment we met. Don't you understand the way I move is not a flex? It's how I move, baby girl, I take steps.
All right, babe, so now we done got to the top and we're about to go ahead and blend our leave out. My leave out has been straightened prior as well, but can we just get into how good this hair look? Like, I honestly could just go out the door like this, curl my leave out, blend it in, and keep it pushing. This is so cute to me. Love it, love it, love it. But moving on, so I'm about to what am I doing next? Oh yeah, I'm about to go in and straighten the hair out just a little bit. So I'm using my Babyliss Pro, however you want to pronounce it. I don't know. I call it Babyliss, but people been saying Babyliss, and I'm like, hey, whatever. Tomato. I'm just going in to straighten out the extensions a little bit because that was the natural curl pattern of this, or wave pattern of this hair. That's my loose wave. Again, all the information in the description box, y'all. Check me out. Yes, you can straighten out your loose wave. It is so versatile. Like, if you're not rocking VHS bundles, I don't know what you're doing. Like, we the best of the best with the best price. I mean, and you getting free game on how to finesse. I mean, come on. Where do you getting a better deal at? But yeah, I'm going in to straighten that, and I have my iron on, I believe, the highest setting. Definitely used some heat protection whenever you put heat to your extensions and your real hair. And like I said, y'all, my hair was previously straightened out a little bit prior, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer as well, and then we're going to proceed to style the hair. I'm just going to curl it. I'm going to show y'all how cute and easy it is to get this style without even adding any layers in it, but it's going to look like it's giving layers, but it ain't no layers. Watch me. Just watch.
I just called you up to let you know your man.
Now I'm going in just to do a quick blow dry. You really don't have to do this. I just went in and did it because I wanted it to be extra smooth and straight. But you honestly could just go in and just start curling after the flat iron, but I was just being extra. So now I'm going in and running the flat irons through my leave out and the hair extensions one more time, just so I can make sure it's blended. And y'all, please, heat protecting for your leave out. Y'all be complaining about, oh, leave outs, my curl pattern, my hair be getting heat damage. That's because you, first of all, using too much heat. You don't flat iron your hair every single day. I know it's tempting, but you don't do that every single day. But use some heat protectant, sis. Okay, so now I'm going in with the curls, and I like to do my curls away from my face period. Like, I have done it, you know, curling it any other way. I just prefer away from my face curls on me. Now, the other curls obviously are cute too. Like, curls period are cute. I'm not saying you can't do any of the curls, but I prefer the curls away from my face on me. But anyways, I'm going in with the curling iron, and I do have a review up on this curling iron. It was only like, I think like maybe under $20 from Family Dollar, because you know I like to keep it fine and frugal over here. So I have a video up showing y'all how it works. Clearly it works good, but I compared it to the T3i, the expensive. So go check that out if you haven't, and subscribe because I have tons of videos of giving free game on my channel. But subscribe if you're new. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going in to do these curls, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap this video up. If you made it this far in the video, you are a real one. Go ahead and drop me a purple heart in a comment and say, hey girl, or something. You can comment whatever. But shout out to you. You're a real one. I appreciate all of my supporters. We are past 10K, which is crazy. I'm so proud. I'm so happy. My little family over here is growing. Y'all the real ones.
Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts.
Mine was real? Yeah, girl, I tried to tell you. Man, tried to tell you. I had a feeling, but I don't know. He had a nerve to find the idea.
And this completes the final look, y'all. This is so cute. This is the perfect style for all of my office girls, my corporate baddies out, my fellow corporate baddies, because I can relate, you know, really cute, professional. We be at the meetings. It's given. I'm head of the meeting. I'm giving a presentation. It's giving LinkedIn profile. Do you hear what I'm saying? So please leave me some comments down below if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, and let me know what other content y'all want to see. Check out the description box, y'all, because it has a lot of good and useful information in there. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. I love you guys, and stay beautiful, prayed up, and blessed. Mwah.